9 years I've had this lure for, and it's a live target, and it's the biggest gimmick lure I've ever seen. Even when I bought it in the States, they were like, oh yeah, big gimmick, blah, blah, blah. So it's taken me 9 years to tie it on. And here we go, let's see if it works. There's one. Oh, tiny little fella. Oh, it's a wrasse slayer. Absolute wrasse slayer, this lure. What's that? Oh, whacked it. Oh, it's a trout, is it? Oh no, it is an emperor. Oh, he got off. Whacked it. Oh, big whacks. Oh, big whacks on the flat. Big whack on the flat. Oh, rod up, rod up. That's big. Oh man, stop it, Drubit. Stop him. Oh, rod up high, very high. What have we got here? It's a Spango, is it? Oh yeah, was it a jobby? It's a jobby. Oh no, it's a, I don't even know what it is. It's a red scroty. Oh, yeah, nice fish, man.